I have the hiccups right now, as y'all can see. And this is like a spur of the moment. Okay, so I have the hiccups right now, and this is like a really spur of the moment video. But it is an example. Well, first, let me apologize for my dogs. They're kind of going crazy in the background. It just shows that it's like spur of the moment. But I wanted to use this opportunity to prove how your mind is extremely powerful, and you can accomplish anything that you set your mind to. So everyone like tries to come up with these crazy ideas to get rid of hiccups. We all know this, like, you know, the drink the cup upside down and all that stuff. Well, I have always been able to get rid of my hiccups just by concentrating on the next hiccup. So I'm gonna try to do it for y'all on camera. I hope I don't make myself look like a fool, but watch. Okay. Let me see if I can get one more hiccup in so y'all can see. There it goes. Alright, here we go. I think they're gone. That was actually quicker than I normally can. See? I told y'all! My husband thinks I'm crazy, but I do it every single time. Now the hiccup's gone, and I promise you they were not fake hiccups. They were real hiccups. It's all about mind control. Remember that. You're powerful beyond measure and beyond what you think you are. See y'all next time.